Okay guys, today we got a 2014 Ford F-150. I'm just going to show you how to reset your maintenance reminder, that light that keeps popping up on your dash saying oil change, maintenance due, or oil change required. So obviously after you performed your oil change, your service, you're going to use these 4 buttons and the center button on the left side of your steering wheel here. So you're going to scroll down to settings, and then you'll go down to vehicle, and you're using the center button to click. So then you'll scroll down again to oil life reset, and it actually allows you to, choose where you want to set it. We just changed the oil and the filter, so we're just going to put it at 100%. So you're just going to hold down on that center OK button. So hold it down, resetting, reset complete. And that's all it is, guys. Pretty simple. So we'll take it back to where we had our screen on gauge mode, and that's it, guys. So I hope this helped you out. Please click like, please click subscribe, and click on my name underneath this video for all my other how-to videos. And as always, guys, enjoy.